Well guys, got a nice snowstorm going here. Christmas Eve. We're going to try go kayaking. As you can see, the water's frozen, but not right there. And it's about an inch thick.
Whoa! Yeah, we're in open water. Woo!
Now there's the house, and there's the snow, and there's a little trench we made, so we're heading out. Film in a sec.
I didn't know you're filming.
Christmas Santa kayak.
Yeah.
Out here in the open water now. A little bit. Still snowing. See if I can turn one-handed here. Christmas Eve, Michigan paddle. Can't go too awfully far though. The ice is about an inch thick, so we can't bust through it. But we wanted to go out. Say hi. Say hi, Ben.
Hello.
Lots of fun. So this is our way of saying Merry Christmas to all of our subs and friends and family. Maybe against the trees you can see the snow coming down. Is it just throw them in the... Is it shooting over the front?
Yeah,
Cool.
I wanted to get like the view of
Yeah,
the lake from the kayak.
right. Here you can see where the water meets the ice. It makes a kind of a cool sound when the wake goes over it, and makes kind of a creaking. Not used to seeing snow on the kayaks.
Alright, everybody. This is Ben. We are out kayaking on Christmas Eve.
Alright, here goes the icebreaker. We send in the big guy.